personal best. No, Nicola, get out. Anyway, the last scramble is what I've got. U prime, D prime, F prime, B2, LB prime, D prime, L prime, D2, R, L2, D2, U, B2, L2, R2, D, L, R2, U2, R, D prime, F2, L2, D2. I've got a 3 minute, 1.36 second. That's my personal best. And yeah, I use M2 edges, which I learnt 2 days ago, and I used old Pochmann corners. Can't remember the memo. I can remember the corner memo, which is IG BLM CVF. Oh, yeah, the edge memo. What I used was DSGT BLOX-RN. The buffer pieces was the DU, which is the yellow blue. Piss off, Nicola. And the corner is the UBL, which is the white, red, green. So yeah, I mean I scrambled it like this because I don't know, I just can't be bothered the white two, and yeah, PB.